think I probably like triggered almost everybody, I think, with this video. What's Gucci, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've had a video. My last video was January 1st, and I just haven't had time to shoot. Usually I'll either do it on the weekend or a Monday, so then it'll be uploaded for Tuesday or Wednesday. But I had training Saturday and Sunday, January 4th and 5th for first aid, CPR, and AED. So I passed, and now I'm an instructor, mainly for my company, but I will, because it is my certification, and I'm certified through EMS. I will be doing that on the side now. So today I'm about to trigger a couple people probably. Lana here is pretty dirty. Haven't washed her since I got her. Been to Tahoe. She's been in the mud lightly. When I went to Tahoe, it was snowing, or it had snowed, so there was dirty water all over the ground. It's got all over the truck. It's been through a couple rainy days, and yeah, she needs a bath because she dusty. But like I said, I'm gonna trigger somebody, most likely all the detail and car wash enthusiasts, because I'm only gonna use one bucket, one brush for the rims and wheels. I know, shouldn't do that, but it's alright. I had already one of these suckers, but I'm pretty sure my pops tossed it away because when I was looking for it yesterday, he was just really quiet, and then he mentioned about tossing an old one away. So I got the Meguiar's microfiber water magnet to dry it off. I think it's a pack of 2. I was wrong, it's a single pack. Hopefully it dries up most of it. And then I got the Chemical Guys wash mitt. Link in the description to both of these, just in case y'all want it. And then I also have 4 microfiber towels for the windows and just dust up the interior, courtesy of my sister. Thank you again. Courtesy, well, technically courtesy of me, because I got this for my sister. Yes, she was the first one to use it. Ooh, gotta rotate that. But don't need this. Spray wax. I don't think I'm gonna apply spray wax. I might if I have time. It's 2 o'clock right now. I have an eye appointment today at 3:30, so if I have time, I'll go ahead and spray her down. Just give her a quick wipe. Glass cleaner for the window. The Adams car shampoo. So that's it. So that's what I'm gonna use, courtesy of my sister, for the microfiber towels and the Adams detailing car wash kit that will be in the description. So yeah, let's get some water. Let's hose her down and get to washing. Like I said, I'm probably gonna trigger a couple people because the water is so cold. Pretty cold outside, even though it's clear skies, kinda. There's a bit of clouds over there, and it's sunny. It is freezing right now. But like I said, I'm probably gonna trigger some people. I'm not doing the proper method that I should be doing, the double bucket. But I'm only doing this just to get it clean. She deserves a quick little shower, you know. Can't always have a clean truck, but you can always try and keep a clean truck. As long as I'm trying, that's A for effort for me. So I can't make this up, y'all. My girlfriend, she stays here some days, but most of the time I'll go over to Fremont, stay with her. I went upstairs when I got here from work. Put this on because I had my my Carhartt thick ass jacket, and this was laying by my bed, bruh. Her freaking eyelash. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. So it's 3 o'clock. I'm always running late. Gonna dry her off real quick, and then I won't do the wheels or the tires just because I know they're gonna get dirty. It's gonna rain literally in 2 days. Today's Tuesday, it's supposed to rain Thursday, so it's fine. So just gonna dry her off real quick, and then I'll spray the windows, clean that off, get another microfiber towel, and just dust it. Ooh, my voice almost squeaked. Just wipe it down in the inside. I won't get to the floor mats, but I'll clean it this weekend if I'm in town. Actually, I'm not in town. I'm gonna be in LA. Yeah, gotta get to drying, bro. I'm running late. So Miso Customs makes a gas cap hole where you remove the screw, then you put this plastic little plate that has a hole where and then you utilize that screw again, or they might give you an extra screw, I'm not too sure, and that's pretty much to put your gas cap right there so it holds it while you pump gas. But if you didn't know, you see this little thing right there, and this clamp or clasp, whatever you want to call that, if you stretch it, it holds it. So just in case, if you don't want to spend the money and you're just letting it hang, you could do this. I don't know if that's what it's meant for, but yeah, it's worked great. Wait, taco sauce only. She clean now. I think I probably triggered almost everybody, I think, with this video, but hey, she needed a washing. Unfortunately, it couldn't be a really good wash. My appointment is at 3:30. It's 3:19 and I'm still home, so gotta change real quick and bust my ass over there, get these eyes checked. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you guys got triggered. Stay tuned for another episode coming soon. Oh, remember, guys, live life.